how to get dark matter in Black Ops 6. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is unlock the gold camo. Get each weapon level to max. Complete all 4 gold camo challenges and you'll get the gold. Then you want to unlock diamond. Complete all 4 gold camo challenges for every weapon in that category and get diamond. Then you want to simply unlock dark spine camo, which is going to be completing all the 3 diamond camo challenges for every weapon in that category. Then you will unlock dark matter by completing all 3 dark spine camo challenge for every weapon in that category. So dark matter challenges per weapon is getting 5 kills without dying 10 times, 3 kills without dying 20 times, and 2 kills without dying 30 times. Use the best attachments for your playstyle. Play core modes like hardpoint or domination and kill confirmed, and you can also focus on one weapon at a time. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.